Hey, what it do, YouTube family? HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, we back in this sucker, baby. Of course, you know, on the last vlog, we dropped off in Lebanon, Indiana. Got that load there safely, secured the bag on it. We drove about 30 miles down the road, going over to Indianapolis, Indiana. We picking up a load we already attached to it. We going to Forest Park, Georgia. I've already done my pre-trip and my post-trip on it already, but it's a brand new day, so you know, you never know what could have happened overnight. So I've already pre-tripped the truck. I'm just about to do a little small little walk around on a trailer or whatever. Come on, y'all, let's do this pre-trip real fast. Like shit. All right, y'all, so we pretty much the same on the pre-trip. We about to go over to this express bay over here. Since we got a long line, we gonna get our trailer looked at. We just gonna let the mechanic them look at it and see if they saw something that I didn't see. You know what I'm saying? So y'all stay tuned, man. Let's go over and ride to the express bay. We might be able to get some attention, and again, we might not be able to get none. But if not, hey man, we just gonna say a prayer, man. We gonna take out, baby. HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, man. Let's roll. Alright, y'all, we over here this express bay now. I just did my little doot. See if somebody gonna come. We gonna do the yard move at the moment. We gonna do our 15-minute pre-trip or whatever. We gonna use that to do that with. So we gonna get them a little minute, man, and see how long it's gonna take them to open this bay up. I'm in a rush, but I ain't in a rush. But I do want to get out there before rush hour. You know how Atlanta be. We're gonna get back with y'all in a minute, man. Soon we leave about this express bay, y'all. Peace. What's up, man?
They wonder how I do it like that. Two-step, then I bring it right back. They wonder how I do it like that. Two-step, then I bring it right back. They wonder how I do it like that. Two-step, then I bring it right back. They wonder how I do it like that. 7-fit flex on the checks on that.
Time to get some fuel, baby. We don't need no fuel. We don't need no reefer fuel or nothing like that. We already got that topped out in the yard. We good on Delft. I'm probably gonna fill up on Delft and reefer when I get to Georgia. So we just getting tractor right now. Family, we all gassed up. We just went in, got us a cup of coffee, got us some breakfast. We got about, fuck this GPS doing. We got about 8.5 hours to go to get to Atlanta. Let's roll, baby. Put y'all seatbelts on, man, because you know we practice safety over here. Put them seatbelts on, baby. We out of here. Let's get it. whole family, we got some kind of air leak going on. We finna go ahead and Love's and get it checked out. And I push my knobs in right here. I'm hearing like a seeping noise or whatever. And I press them out, seeping noise stops. So we about to check in right here at this Love's and see what's going on real fast, y'all. They roll. Check my truck in. I got some kind of air leak going on. The knobs pressed in. I'm hearing a seeping noise. And I press them back out, the noise go away. 3 or 4 hours, I figured something like that. Damn, I may as well try to call a breakdown or something. They probably come fast. I'll come back in. Damn. Well, after about 2 hours of trying to get my situation with this air leak situation I got going on, man, they ain't gonna be able to get to me until about 7 in the morning, man. So I guess I'll holler at y'all tomorrow, man. These situation right here come about, like, what can you do? You know what I'm saying? What can you do, man? What can you do? See y'all tomorrow, baby. Peace. It's day 2, y'all. My truck finally in the shop, y'all. Finally in the shop, y'all. Let me let y'all. Damn, I got food out on my mouth. It was good, though. Let y'all see my baby, man. We pulled nose in, so I don't know how long it's gonna be, man, but we here. Stay tuned, baby. I'll let y'all know what's the update on something. All right, YouTube family, HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, we back in this motherfucker, man. After, I want to say about 6 hours or something, man, we finally ready to rock and roll. And he said a whole lot of stuff going on with the truck back there in the trailer. I forgot, so I can't even really tell y'all what he said. Then I fell asleep in there in the shop too, man, so, man, woo. But we got about 4.5 hours drive to get on head out here to Georgia, to the Kroger out here in Forest Park, Georgia. Gotta stop and get some reefer fluid, man. I done ran up all my reefer fluid down there, so gotta stop and get some of that. Let's roll, baby. Let's hit this pilot. I want to say we're gonna stop in probably Cartersville or something like that. We'll probably stop in Cartersville or somewhere right up in there or whatever. Let's roll, baby. want to say it's a live unload, I think. I think so. Yes, I think some ice cream. Yep.
6'5".
365. So they just want me to drop it.
That's the door number, yeah.
So just drop it and get it empty. Come on back out.
Yeah, they said it was a drop.
Okay, cool. All right, appreciate you. All right, let's roll. Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Trucka. We back in this motherfucker, baby. Through all the trials and tribulations, man, we still got this load here safely, even after the breakdown, baby. So, well, we weren't technically broke down, but I ain't want to risk driving and, you know what I'm saying, losing air pressure, you know what I'm saying? So, even with all that going on, man, I thought I was gonna have a live unload, but man, they let me drop this bad boy, man. So, man, I want to appreciate everybody for riding with me, subscribing to me, you know what I'm saying? Just enjoying the ride along, baby. We got more content coming, you know what I'm saying? Hey, man, hey. Until next time, man, HandsomeMothaTRUCKA, baby, we out.